Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm kicking off the Halloween season a little bit early because I'm just too excited and it's October at the weekend, okay? So we're allowed to do this, yes? Okay, we agree. So today, as you can see, I'm doing a Cheshire Cat makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this. So to start my base, I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is just going to give us a nice base, a nice canvas. That's nice and smooth, hopefully, to work with. So now that I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Correct colour corrector. This is the shade Green. Does that just look weird? Oh my gosh, what if... I've just realised that the background is a green screen. Now that we're all colour corrected, we are going to move on to foundation. I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation that I always seem to, and then blend it out using my beauty blender. I'm going to do concealer. I'm just going to conceal under the eyes a little bit. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Marshmallow. So now I'm going to powder under the face. Oh, I'm going to powder under the eye. Using the Laura Mercier translucent lucerne powder. Now I'm going to use some makeup remover and sort of cut the crease. For pop of contrast, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. I'm going to use the shade Gold Chains, which is the sparkly one. Okay, so I'm going to use these little black dress lashes, and I'm going to take these Unicorn Cosmetic ones that I've cut, and I'm sort of going to cut the pieces like each little like cluster, I guess, and place them on like the outer edge of these lashes to make them more fluffy on the outer edge. I'm going to see how that goes. I'll pop them on and I'll show you. Okay, so now we're going to do the nose. Yeah. So now we're going to like contour using the pink and purple shades that we've used on our face. Like the pink shade, like up here. That same angled brush I used for my brows, I'm going to use with this black gel liner. This is the Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Liner in black. Here. Okay, so now we're going to put the wig on and complete the look. So this is the finished look. I've just used my purple Mal wig to finish this off, and I think it's super cute. I'm really proud of this. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below any more Halloween ideas you have. Yeah, I do have a few, so hopefully I can get a lot out. Yeah, I'm excited for Halloween. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.